So we've got March 12th, 2025. This is my review of, I guess we got Deuteronomy 1, 2, and 3, 1 through 20. Um, we see the journey that normally takes 11 days, take 40 years. So Moses carefully explained the Lord's instructions, and he starts out by going over the history and how to attack and how to go through things. And he talks about the judges and that working out, and he talks about the promised land and sending out the scouts that the people wanted him to do, and how that worked. But then everybody rebelled and thought that the great people were too big for them. They got in their own head. And how often do we do that? We get in our own head and we forget how big our God is and how powerful he is and how much he will overcome in front of us and fulfill his promise to us. We see that. And then we see that the people realized how much they missed out on by rebelling against God, and so they repent. And then they try to do it. They try to do what God promised them to do. They tried to be obedient way too late, and they went. They started to go, and Moses, don't go, don't do it, don't do it, and they went anyway, and they were crushed by their enemies. Right? That's what happened, and that's a very good warning to us too. Is we can't make things. If we miss the boat, we miss the boat. We listen to God, and if He still says go, go. But if He's saying don't go, don't go. Listen, listen. They crushed them. They crushed them. And then they were wandering still, and it was really cool to see how they wandered through the different areas. And God told them not to come against these people or come against those people, because He had made promises to protect those people, and He'd given them that land, the land of Asu, the land of Lot, and He promised them that. That was all promised ahead of time. So it's neat to see that. Um, then we start to see, excuse me, where God gives victory over things, and they start to see those victories. We start to see that, and then Moses is rehashing this in front of them. Hey, I gave this to him. Now take care of it. Make it go right. Um, and they killed all the people that were in those lands, and he did that to eliminate the risk of falling into temptation with them. So something that we also have to learn from and do. So that's my quick summary. Did a live stream today, read through all of it. Might do that again, but anyway, that's it.